Ginger, a popular spice known for its distinct flavor and aroma, offers numerous health benefits. Here are some of the key health benefits of ginger. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains bioactive compounds, such as gingerol, which have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. 2. Digestive aid. Ginger is well known for its ability to aid digestion. It can help alleviate various digestive issues, including nausea, bloating, and indigestion. It stimulates saliva, bile, and gastric enzyme production, which can help improve digestion. 3. Relieves nausea. Ginger is highly effective in relieving nausea and vomiting. It is particularly beneficial for pregnant women experiencing morning sickness and for individuals undergoing chemotherapy or surgery. Pain relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can also help reduce muscle pain and soreness. It is often used as a natural remedy for arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Supports cardiovascular health. Ginger may help lower the risk of heart disease by reducing cholesterol levels, lowering blood pressure, and improving blood circulation. It can also help prevent blood clots. Boosts immune system. Ginger has antimicrobial properties that can help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections. Its antioxidant properties also help combat free radicals and enhance overall immune function. 7. Regulates blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that ginger can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Weight loss aid. Ginger can help with weight management by increasing metabolism, reducing appetite, and enhancing fat burning. It may also help prevent obesity-related complications. Improves brain function. Ginger's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can benefit brain health. It may improve cognitive function, enhance memory, and protect against age-related decline. Relieves menstrual pain. Ginger has been shown to be effective in reducing menstrual pain, also known as dysmenorrhea. Consuming ginger during the first few days of the menstrual cycle can help alleviate pain and discomfort. How to incorporate ginger into your diet. Fresh ginger. Add grated or sliced fresh ginger to teas, smoothies, soups, and stir-fries. Ginger tea. Brew fresh ginger slices in hot water for a soothing tea. Ginger powder. Use ground ginger in baking, cooking, or as a spice in various dishes. Ginger supplements. Available in capsule or tablet form. Ginger supplements can provide concentrated doses of ginger's beneficial compounds. Incorporating ginger into your diet can provide numerous health benefits, from improving digestion to boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation. Whether used fresh, powdered, or as a supplement, ginger is a versatile and potent natural remedy